Hi, my name is Judy. Welcome to all you new people. Well, I guess you're all new because this is my first YouTube video. I'm starting this YouTube channel called Intentionalista as a way to live life more intentionally and with purpose. So today's project, I will be organizing, minimizing, and creating a sustainable wardrobe because it's nice to care about things like the earth and not just ourselves. Am I right? And the first part would be to set up this wardrobe. So let's get into it. Thank you. Thank you. Like the meticulous neat freak that I am, I took everything out of the box and laid it out on this mat just so that I could make sure I had all the pieces that I needed to complete this project. Also am planning to reuse the tissue paper in the box so that I can use them either for gifts or repackaging stuff. What? How come it's saying there's only one hole, but I see two? Oh, it's that one. Oh, okay. Okay. That's why they said it was a two-person job. Okay. Oops. Oops. Oh my God. Okay. I swear. I'm smart. I got this. Minor setback. Minor setback. I'm sweating profusely. Now, on to step 2. I need to work out, bro. What is going on? There you go. Hey. Okay, those knobs just came out, whatever. Tell me why, this hurts. Here you go. Just use my thighs for this. Oh man, okay. Okay, you got this. I need some gloves. Oh my gosh, look at my hands. They're all red. Oh. Okay, I clearly don't have the upper body strength. Dude, this hurts the hands. Ugh. Okay, yes, yeah. Oh my god. Okay, it's a little wobblicious. I might have someone come in and reinforce this. I hate this part. Welcome, welcome. Calling in the reinforcement. My camera's about to die, so we'll work on the rest of this and hopefully be back when it's all up and ready. Say bye, Dad.
Bye. Almost there.
Woohoo! Thanks, Dad. Little hanging rod for clothes. Now that I have my wardrobe all built, I wanted to share some sustainable tips for organizing. I will say though that one of the most sustainable tips before trying to buy new is to see if there's anything at home first that you can use. If not, then consider buying what you may need. My first plastic-free alternative are these unfinished wood hangers that were $22.29 for 18 from Amazon. The wood is harvested from renewable forests, is fast growing, and is grown without pesticides. My second plastic-free alternative are these S-shaped steel hangers that cost less than $8 for a pack of 30 from Amazon. What makes steel a more sustainable option than plastic is that steel is made to last and is 100% recyclable. There is both a rounded side and a flat side to these S-shaped hooks. You'll use the rounded side and have it facing outward, and that will be where you hook your clothes onto. My third and final plastic alternative are woven baskets made of natural materials. These are my two pickups from the Container Store, and they're a more sustainable option than storing my clothing in plastic containers. I'll be using these in the cubby holes of my wardrobe. I love that they are both made of water hyacinth, which is a renewable resource, meaning that it is easy to grow and it's actually a weed. Little fun fact. I love that this one has a hinge to connect the top on here to conceal more intimate articles of clothing. And then this woven basket over here, I love that each piece is made individually and unique, so not one is the same. I love that it has both the black weave as well as a more natural weave to create this unique pattern on here. All of the sides are kind of different. I think I'm going to be using this side for the cubby. I do love this solid black color right here. Sorry, there's someone lawn mowing outside. All right. Continuing on with the black storage accents, this is my pickup from Target. It is the round basket in braided matgrass and black coiled rope from the brand Threshold. I love that this one is rounded opposed to my rectangular containers, and the depth of this basket will be perfect for storing my socks. We've reached the end, my friends. Thank you so much for pressing play today. Your time here means so much to me. And I'm gonna move to this chair real quick to finish my outro, and let me pick Momo up. If you would like to see more of how I organize this wardrobe, as well as why I'm intrigued by the minimalist lifestyle, or maybe you just want to see a little more of Momo, which is fair enough, then please stay tuned till the next video, which will be done hopefully in a week. If you would like to see more sustainable and minimalist content, please consider subscribing. See you guys next time. Bye.